Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody and Barrett with your business updates for today. Kingston residents could soon have a new waterfront to walk, cycle, and enjoy as work moves ahead on the next phase of the Kingston Harbor Walk. The Caribbean Development Bank has provided $1.4 million in grant funding with support from the governments of Italy and the European Union to advance segment 2 of the project, which runs from Raytown to Harborview. It's part of a larger plan to create a 25-kilometer waterfront linking downtown Kingston to Port Royal. But building the Harbor Walk is not enough. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the goal is to create a space that Jamaicans will actually use and enjoy.
What we want to build is something where people from all over Jamaica and all over the world will come to experience. I'm saying this for the Jamaicans listening on, whoever will catch this on the news, but I'm more so saying this to the consultants who are here. Very important. What you design must be iconic. It must be a reason for people to visit. It must be functional. It must add value. And it must be cost effective. All right, it's a difficult task, but that's why we hire you as consultants and pay you well enough to do it.
Beyond creating a space for recreation, the project is also expected to make Kingston's coastline more resilient to climate change while supporting tourism, small businesses, and communities along the harbor. This section alone is expected to directly benefit 33,000 residents, with wider social, economic, and environmental benefits expected to reach more than 600,000 people. But for people to enjoy the Harbor Walk, then getting there has to be easier too. Holness says the Sir Florizel Glaspole Highway is among the corridors to be rehabilitated under the Spark 2 program.
Project is not just an announcement, it is funded. So we have announced $25 billion, which will deal with 35 important corridors. And no one can question that this corridor here, from the roundabout to, remind me of that road, Philip, that carries you back. Windward Road, yes. So it will take Windward Road and the Sir Florizel Glaspole Boulevard. That's a corridor that carries a huge amount of traffic that will be totally upgraded, and this will become, to complement the Kingston Boardwalk, this will become a part of the Kingston Boardwalk upgrade.
He was speaking at Wednesday's contract signing ceremony for segment 2 of the Kingston Harbor Walk project. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Barrett. Thanks for watching.